Need to hide all doodles on Instagram chat? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So, without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Instagram. Once you're inside the application, make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now what you need to do is, you need to swipe left and head over to your chat section. Move into the inbox of the person that you want to hide all the doodles. Now, if you want to hide them, all you gotta do is tap and hold the doodles and click on Hide All. Once again tap on Hide All, but it says that all items added on top of messages will be hidden from your view. They will show up again when you reopen the chat. So once you are ready to hide it, click on Hide All. And there you go, you can see the doodle has disappeared. But if you go back and re-enter it, the doodles will appear again. So this is simply how you can hide doodles on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.